So hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Mantle Mucher. So guys, I am going to tell you guys some tips and tricks which most people don't use, like Funres 3D gamers. So I'm ready to lose some levels to make this video and get you to win more levels just like me. So I am not the noob king anymore, so I don't need it. I'm going to be the Mad Flash now. S and H. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I am the Mad Flash again. So I will be losing some levels. So about coming this, there is a pattern for this. See, it just stopped and again it goes on. Most people run thinking that it would happen like this. So stop, run, stop. Once you see these red lines, now it is time. So here we go. This level, it is one of the hardest I have ever experienced. So um, you have to see those little dotted lines, kind of dotted lines, which are there in a squamous, like which are there in a squamous or rectangular or sometimes even a triangular shape. So well, let me race again so that I can tell you more. Here, never stop, guys. Keep on running. Most of you will think that something will happen and stop. And guys, don't do this mistake these bots are doing right now. There will be marks for you so that see where the ball falls, there will be mark, and if you step on the mark before time or after time, you are dead. See, right? Yes, that's of course that's how you win the race. And next, coming to the next, Eddie. Yeah, this one is the thing I just awaited for. Most people think that after it goes up only we should go and it is gonna die. See, after we go like that, it dies. See, even when we are in the mid-air, we get hit by these gloves. Okay, that's how you cross this level. This is the level where you can run in the air almost literally. Of course you can win it like that. Of course I think this is an easy level, but to make it even more easier, I have made this video. Okay, I haven't told you this completely. So as you can notice, where the bars of this rotators are shrinking, there you see dotted lines. See, if you step over those dotted lines over a period of time, you will have a chance to die. Okay, here's when many people make mistakes. Whenever it goes up, they go up. Yes, of course. This closer is also very dangerous. See the bot how it goes. After it closes, just jump on it, and you can go to the finishing line. I like this level and that fan jumping level. Okay, look at the mirror. It's a funny name. Okay, but getting back to this, whenever it stops, follow it, or else you might have a chance to die. Okay, when it opens, start pushing up through. Not like that, of course, like that. Look at that mirror bot. Okay, if you ask my honest opinion, I would be telling you not to collect any advertisement rewards. They brought a hack into my phone and my phone got crushed and I had to start all over again with a new phone. So guys, coming to this level, oh, I hate this. People just start running like maniacs, and just when it comes above your head, duck. Just when it comes above your head, leave the screen. You know, sometimes your head might be, see here, this level is the one I admire. As you can see in the like the before level, you have dotted rounds, dotted lines, and if you step on those dotted lines for more than 3.33 milliseconds, you will be, oh, that's a rough I mean, it's a rough calculation. If you do it like that, you might get hit, and if you are on the second phase, it is okay for you. So going to the next race. Okay, this is where this is also where many people go wrong. This is my favorite one. When the third one stops, you have to push through it. When the third rotator stops, you have to go through it fast. Okay, here's this one. I was going to tell you about this one. It's a bonus level, so I might not succeed very much. Okay, go. Okay, how about we make the corner one die? Or hell. Oh, corner one, please die. Yes, of course. Okay, so here coming to this circular paths which look like broad snakes in the Snake IO game. When many players do something, when it is open, they run. See, when it is open like this, they start running. What you have to do is, when this one, I mean the left side, the right side one, which travels towards you, just run. See, look at me now. I got it, didn't I? Okay, I am going to buy that one in this video only, and I'm going to showcase you. Okay, this is the one which I also wanted to show you. Sometimes, you know, it glitches, and what happens, you know, your head goes in through that. I think you're almost like a ghost. When it's open, you have to run. Because when it's closed, if you do run like the blue color rotators, you die. So guys, let me see if here's any tips and tricks for you. Okay, yeah, this cluster things. If you are on the right side, avoid them completely till they go to the left side. You can skip to 4 directly after 2. See how he's getting crashed. It's a bot, of course, that's why. This one and the last, it is the last one before I showcase you my new body. Come in, come out, come in, come out. It just kind of, you know, it's fancy. Jump. In your opinion, this is an extremely difficult stage, the one which I jumped just now. Extremely difficult, not even little difficult. Okay, I think there is something new for you guys. Yes, of course, it is something new. Here there are no dotted lines, but just as I mentioned before, the shooters will be shooting, and these will be leaving marks. You have to go on those marks just before they are about to strike. If you go before very much or after very much, you are gonna meet your fate. Coming to this is a new one again. Start running like a maniac whenever you want to do it. You can jump to 2 in this. If you jump to 2, you might be able to complete faster. But stay on the white stripes. Try to stay on the white and yellow stripes alternatively. This is the last phase I'm going to play today, and here are the both things I just wanted you to tell. Here are the dotted lines again. Avoid the squamous dotted lines, and well, off you go. And this is a level which I myself feel extremely hard. See how I died. That noob's gonna win now. Yep, he did. And yes, of course, this is the one I also wanted you. Just as it builds up, start running like a maniac again. I think I told you about this one already. Oh, he got crumpled in the middle. Okay, you madcap. You're after a long time here. Okay, guys, so let's buy that new avatar. Yes, I thought this one or this one. What do you want me to buy, guys? Let's just kind of take something and make it suit. Oh hell. Yeah, this one is perfect. Yeah, this one's perfect, so I'm gonna take it. Yes, of course it is mine. Okay, guys, so if you want to see my emotes, see it now. It is called dance in here. So the default emote which is given, it is this default emote. These are the 150 emotes till here. So this one I don't like that much, but I bought it for my collection. This one is the Gangnam Style emote, which I love very much. Of course, this is the hip hop boogie. This is the kind of the kings of England and the great people do this kind of dances. This is the Joker dance, which I like. Butt shaker. Look at him how he dances. he is such funny. Go. He's pushing someone away. Okay, that's not good. I like this dance very much. Sorry, I forgot to show this one. It is the Michael Jackson dance, of course. Okay, he is the Bharatnatyam dance. Tarigidata. This is the hand rotator, which I like very much. I mean, it's kind of simple, but we can admire it. This is not so good. I like this one, so I keep this. But to my preferences, I'd prefer this Gangnam Style. Okay, you madcap. Yes, it perfectly suits the Flash. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked my tips and tricks in Fundraise 3D. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you found them to be useful. If you did so, please like, share and subscribe. And here comes the last one, which is also indicated with dotted lines. Do not step on the dotted lines, guys. I am going to show you what you do if you step on those dotted lines. Alright, you can cross almost 2 levels at one time because it is not gonna be a hard challenge. Okay, I like this avatar. Okay guys, this is the last one, and this is what I am gonna show you. Don't start running right then, start running now. Here come the past level which I showed you. Okay, he just died. I am going to go walking. Tick 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 tick. Hey, why are you running, bro? kaput. He must have been crying if he were a player. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. And sorry guys, I forgot to show you this level. And now let's go to this level. I'm so sorry that I was about to end the video. Okay guys, so if you're gonna win this level, when this closer one comes, when the right one comes, you close it. Try to nail it like that. Don't start running very much in this level, because it is not going to be of any help. Okay Cedric, and this is what I am gonna show you again. You'll be at crumpled. You will know. You can almost stand in the air here and jump off. If I am so sorry I couldn't show you the rotators, which are green in color, in fact. Okay, let's complete this bonus level as the last level of this video. Okay, the hardest level. Yes sir. Okay, Gangnam Style. Yes, it's 447. Yes guys, and that's it for this video. I hope I showed you all of them, and I could not show you those blue color levelers up which pop up eventually. And so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Let's buy a character to end this video. Okay, I've been rooting to buy this character, but I did not get the chance because of other characters. So okay, here we are. Yes, of course. Beard Singh. How was the name? Beard Singh. Okay guys, so I am going to meet you in the next video, which is gonna be tomorrow, and bye bye.